welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's episode, for today's vlog, what we will be doing is a gift guide. I will be picking a particular item, a particular category to share with you, which I know maybe not everyone, I guess everyone could relate to, of course. So these are the home fragrances. So let's start off with, as we all know, aroma oils or essential oils has a healing properties. It can relieve stress, difficulty sleeping when we use the lavender oils. So here, meron dito, sinabi na, the main advantage of using, it also makes your mood good and provides an enhanced cognitive function. But before that, there are plenty of that in the market, and maybe we were thinking, which item on this category we would like to hype. So I would like to share with you. If you're interested, of course, keep on watching. So first off, let's start with the reed diffusers. So this is the reed diffuser, and these are the rattan reeds. Ito, made of rattan reeds. Ito yung bottle niya, and then you just have to like open, and then you pour here the oil. Scent of the oil depends on your preference, of course. My mom really likes dalandan, and then you just have to pour this. And these reeds are made of rattan fiber. So what it will do is once merong oil dito sa bottle, these rattan reeds absorbs the oil or aroma oil or essential oil that you put in the bottle, and then it evaporates in the air to give the environment a scented smell. Wow, ganon. And we got this, it's an ATIN reeds. We got this from KULTURA. And I don't know how much it cost. Let me search it. It cost around 800 pesos. So, 799.80 centavos. So, ito, parang 800 siya. And then, I don't know how much is this one. So, but of course, you can buy other types of reed diffusers. There are plenty of affordable ones as well in the market, like in Miniso. Meron din silang ganon, and you can always make your own. You just buy bottle and then reed sticks. Yung mga reed sticks, meron naman mga pack no na very affordable. Then bili ka rin lang ng mga essential oil, then lagay mo lang. So you can have your own reed diffusers. This one lasts for about 60 to 90 days. It's a good buy though. It's worth it. Yung disadvantage lang nito is that over time, this one will get oversaturated or parang di na siya masyadong pa-absorb, or so you need to buy new ones. Eto. But it's okay, the reed sticks are affordable naman, and they can be bought by packs. The next item that I would like to share is the air diffuser. So ito, air diffuser siya. This one is my brother's air diffuser. He used this in his room. So ito, meron siya ditong setting. We got this from Scentchips. Yes, Scentchips. And ito lang siya. So ito yung niya. And then you just have to open this and lagyan mo siya dito ng water. And you have to change this every now and then. And you pour a small amount or a few drops of essential oil. So what he got is the eucalyptus, kasi meron siya sensitive yung nose niya, and he wants to have a relaxing smell. So he got the eucalyptus. Ito, meron itong light setting. And then what's parang kasi siya, relaxing, kasi pag na-on siya, meron siya parang lumalabas na air, parang gano'n. So I guess this one, I'm not really sure how much is this one exactly, but I think it costs around 1,500 more, or just between that one. And you just have to plug this one and to make this one work. So it's pretty convenient as well, but the only disadvantage is that you can use this, of course, during blackouts, of course, or no electricity at all. And then the next item that I would like to share, which is my favorite one, it's the warmer. So it's a touch lamp warmer. It still needs an electricity, of course, and I really like this one because once you plug it, just for about 5 to 10 minutes, you get the scent that you really want into your room. I use this this at night as well. So, parang ito lang yung lamp ko. And ito yung lalagyan ng ng candle or ng wax. Sorry, ng wax. We got this from Scentchips. So, ito yung mga wax. I got here a few wax of different scents. So, ano lang, advantage nito is you got to have Scentchips have as in wide variety of scents, wax scents. So, grabe. At pwede ka rin mag-combine. And then, they have these new scents that I got. Super mabango. Hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. Because I still have here. Really, come here down. Kita mo nabot. Really. Ay, down lang nga. Good girl. The downside with the wax is that it gets, magiging solid siya ulit. After it is melted, magiging solid siya ulit. But you can still reuse it. But after that, I think hindi na siya masyadong mabango. Yung, kasi, yung ginagamit ko, yung ginamit ko lagi, most of the time is the scented oil. The scented oil from Homeworld in SM. One bottle of 15 ml scented oil, it's 99.75 pesos, 100 pesos. So I have here the sunflower, the lavender, and I have also one, the peppermint. So I use this depending on my mood, and what I like about this one is you use it, and then when it's heated up with this warmer, you get like just a very couple of minutes, like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you get the scent. Yes, that's very, very fast. So, that's what also I like about this one. And you don't need to like, yung parang, mas mahirap kasi siya tanggalin ito, kasi na-stay siya. So, mas gusto ko ito, oil. But, it depends on your preference. Sometimes I use the wax candles kasi marami siya scents. And another downside of this one is that kahit kahit electric siya, yung bulb niya can be, pwede siyang yung parang hindi na gumagana, ano ba yun? Yung basta, you need to change the bulb every now and then. So, I have here a few. So, I just show you a sample. So, I have here a few bulbs that I can show you. So, here are the bulbs. So, bumibili ako ng bulbs, a few of this one, around 4 pieces of bulbs, para to make sure na if hindi na siya gumagana yung bulb ito, I can replace it immediately. Sorry. I can replace it immediately. So, one bulb costs around 69.75 pesos. So, this might be one of my favorite, but pero ang maintenance niya, grabe. Kasi maganda siya, pwede siya kasi pang-lock. And if you have seen my room renovation, you would see I have a new lamp. So, my brother also gave that to me. And thank you. The last one, which is I think the most common of all, is this one. It's a automatic air freshener. Oh. It's automatic because you can set it here. You can set it over here. You can set it over here on ilang minutes siya, or the interval ng minutes niya for this to spray. So, dito merong every 9 minutes, every 18 minutes, every 36 minutes. And, yun. So, eto, maganda siya. And it only cost around 200 plus to 300 this one. It's from GLADE, and you can also buy pack or value packs of this one at Ace Hardware for 399.75, and it lasts long as in, and it always keep your house smells fresh and good as well. And our favorite scent at home is the Ocean Escape kasi mabango siya. So these are and you can also put this on your bathroom toilets, bedroom, living area, anywhere you want to put this one, because it's really nice. And among all, this is the most affordable one. So that's it. And by the way, I forgot to mention, the price for this one is, it depends on the type of touch lamp. For this one, meron sila sa Scentchips, meron silang 500 to 600 yung smaller ones na touch lamps. For this one, I guess 1,000. And then for the lamp, yung parang lamp talaga yung niya, yung among the four, of course, depende talaga sa, it depends on individual's preference, of course. So, my mother, yung mom ko, she likes the Oil Diffuser. My brother likes the Air Diffuser, and I like the warmers. And so it really depends. That's why I'm giving you options or information regarding with the variety of home fragrances. So you can also give this to your loved ones on Christmas. We'll consider this as one of the best gifts na pwede mo ma-receive, stuff or thing na pwede mo ma-receive on Christmas because very useful. So that's it for today's video. I hope I have provided the information you need, but if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment below. And don't forget, so that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave vlog, keep all the positive vibes because it's holiday season. Merry Christmas. See you on my next video. Bye!